Here's the Fetters unit that I'm going to be cleaning today. This is one of the 7500 BTU units. Other one is in the window already. So, yeah, the evaporator is pretty dusty. I'm going to be spraying this with the hose. And that condenser coil, it's kind of hard to see, but it's pretty dusty. And there's crap in the bottom of it. So I'll be spraying through the back and trying to get as much of that crap off of there as I can. Just got the hose out of the garage and hooked it up. It is all clean now. The evaporator is nice and clean. You can see through the condenser coil, so that's good. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing this is not to spray sideways or at an angle at the coils, because you will bend them if the water stream is strong enough. Really, it's best to use an air conditioning coil cleaner and use a gentle stream of water to wash it away. Let the cleaner do the work, but I don't have any of that. I was just using water, and it worked, but it probably bent a couple coils a little bit, so, or bent a couple fins rather. So just keep that in mind and try not to get it in the electrical area. If you do, let it dry for a long time before you plug it in. So yeah, this one's ready for use now, and it's nice and clean on the bottom as well compared to how it was. Got the filter all clean. I washed it with water, and I washed this with the hose as well, so it's nice and clean. Just drying it out right now.